Hello viewers, and welcome to part 3 of the desktop tool tidy project. In this video we're going to go through the final stages of the project, which is making the tool inserts. I've already done 4 and this will be the 5th one, and it will be for just a single screwdriver. So let's go to Fusion 360 and see how this was done and where we're up to. Here we are in Fusion 360. And as you can see, we've made some of the tools already. As you can see here, we've made one here which is for 4 screwdrivers, one here for a deburring tool, and these 2 are for pliers. Now if I turn off the parts that we don't need to see, we don't need to see the trays, get rid of them, and we'll get rid of that. So one more tray, if we can get rid of that as well. Okay, so there we are. These ones we've made, and as you can see, I've taken these 2 right the way through. So in this video we're going to make one which is for a screwdriver, and the screwdriver is going to go into this one. We just need a single 6mm hole in here, and then we'll print it. To get a 6mm hole in here, we need to create a new sketch on here. So we right click, create sketch, and then we need to project a reference point from the drawing below. So I'm going to select the tool holder top sketch which we had below. I'm going to press P to project. That'll project the image from the bottom. And if I click on the object I want to project, the point I want to project, which is this one, okay, that is now on my drawing. So I'm now going to create a circle on my sketch, which is going to be 6.2mm, like so, and I'm going to finish the sketch. Once I've finished the sketch, I need to extrude this through this tool holder. So to do that, I'm going to select extrude. I'm going to select the part I want, the profile I want to extrude. And I want this to be a cut, because I'm going cutting through this part. And I'm going to take it to an object, which means when I click this end here, the surface, it goes right the way through. I'm going to click OK. We've now created the shape for the tool we want to put in this tool holder. So we shall turn the sketches off, we don't need them. We'll also turn the other bodies off, we don't need them for now. And we're left with our one part which we want to print. So we're now going to go to File, 3D Print, and we're going to select, the select is that one, that's the part we want. We're going to save it as an STL. If you click this option here, you can print it direct to a printer, but we're not doing that. And then you press OK. And this will take you to a description, what you want to call it. Well, we'll call it holder 5. It is an STL, and we're going to save it into this folder here. And that is now saved. So once the part has been saved, we can go into Prusa Slicer, which is here, and we can import the STL, and this is what you end up with on the build plate. So we're using a FL Sun Delta printer, that's why the plate is round, and we've just loaded the object. We had to rotate the object because the original orientation was like that. We've rotated it 90 degrees, 180 degrees. And now we can see this is the part we want to print. I now need to export that. So I'm going to export the G code. So that is now ready to be copied from the PC to a micro SD card to be placed within the printer, ready for printing. I have already printed this. And I'm going to go over to the other desk camera now. This is the desk tidy that we have made. And it's filling up with a bit of rubbish at the moment, but here's the trays. We've already printed these trays. And as you can see, they have curved corners here which match the curves on here. Back there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays, and we've already put some of these tool inserts in. So this one here is the one we've just drawn up on the computer, and we've printed it, and that's what's come out. So these inserts fit into here, and then the screwdriver, which is that one, is for this screwdriver here. I'm going to the whole way. So there's another one now ready to go. I'm going to make a few more of these to fit in here, depending on what tools I want to fit in. And I will post all the files and the drawings on Thingiverse and also Prusa printables once I have them all complete. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to leave it there, and hopefully we will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.